Homeownership comes with a lot of perks, but let's be honest, it also comes with plenty of challenges. Chief among them, figuring out which repairs or renovations to tackle first. If you've ever stared at an ever-growing to-do list and felt overwhelmed, you're not alone. Today we're breaking it all down so you can prioritize your projects and make progress without the stress. Let's get started. Step 1. Categorize your renovations. The first thing you want to do is sort each of the projects on your wish list into one of 4 categories: urgent, quality of life, added home value, and nice to have. Let's break those down. Urgent renovations are the ones that cannot wait. Think mold, termite damage, structural issues, leaks, or electrical problems. These aren't just inconvenient, they could cost you more money later if you don't deal with them now. Quality of life upgrades are less urgent but can make a big difference in your day-to-day life. Maybe that's adding a home office, a playroom, or even making aging in place improvements like installing handrails or an accessible shower. Added home value renovations focus on boosting your home's resale value. Kitchen and bathroom upgrades are classics, but don't forget about exterior projects like garage door replacement, which can actually give you a real return on your investment. Finally, there are the nice to haves. These are the projects that are fun and exciting, like a pool or a custom closet, but they're not essential. If time or budget is tight, these can wait. Step 2. Organize your list. Once you've categorized your projects, it's time to get organized. Start by putting the urgent ones at the top of the list, followed by quality of life projects, added home value ideas, and then the nice to haves. Here's a tip. If one urgent project overlaps with another, tackle them together. For example, if mold damage means gutting your bathroom, you might as well add those accessibility upgrades or fancy fixtures you were planning for later now. Step 3. Price it out. Now let's talk numbers. Research how much each project will cost and create a rough budget. Tools like renovation calculators can help you get a clearer picture of what to expect. Hometap's free home equity dashboard has tools to help you prepare for renovations and track your home value, all in one place. We'll include a link in the video description where you can create an account in just a few minutes. Once you know the costs, you can estimate how long it'll take to achieve your goals and make adjustments if needed. Step 4. Decide how to pay for it all. If your renovation plans are starting to feel out of reach, don't worry. There are several ways to finance your projects, depending on your situation. A home renovation loan gives you quick access to funds, but be prepared for higher interest rates than a home equity loan, since they're unsecured. A home equity loan provides a lump sum of cash with fixed monthly payments, though it does mean taking on an additional payment. A HELOC or home equity line of credit offers flexibility by letting you draw funds as needed, but the interest rate is variable, which means it can fluctuate. A cash-out refinance lets you tap into your home's value while potentially lowering your interest rate, though you'll have to deal with refinancing fees and a new mortgage timeline. And then there's a home equity investment, like the ones offered by Hometap. You receive a lump sum of cash without monthly payments, and you can use it for whatever you need. Plan smarter, not harder. By categorizing your projects, organizing your list, and creating a budget, you'll be on your way to making your renovation goals a reality without all the stress. And if you're looking for a way to fund your projects, Hometap can help. With no monthly payments and a simple process, it's worth exploring. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips to make the most of your homeownership journey. See you next time.